How to mass unfollow inactive accounts on Instagram. Mass unfollowing inactive accounts on Instagram helps clean up your follower list and improve engagement. Now, say for example, I want to unfollow those inactive accounts. In my case, it is going to be very easy. As you can see, I only have 6 followers as of the moment. But what if, say for example, you have hundreds or thousands of followers? Now, this is how you are going to do it. There are a lot of third-party applications that you might be able to use or are tempted to use, but there's not actually a guarantee that they are going to work. So the safest way in order to get this done without violating any of Instagram's privacy and policy is this one right here. You're just going to tap these 3 lines here at the top, and then we're going to hit settings and privacy. Now you're going to go ahead and scroll down and you're going to look for help option. Yes, we're gonna be reporting this one to Instagram because that's the only thing that we can do. After hitting that one, we're going to go ahead and basically click this one down here below. It says report problem without shaking. Alright, now would you like to include complete logs and diagnostics? So go ahead and do that one. And then here you're going to go ahead and explain what is happening. Alright, so I just said here that I want to unfollow inactive accounts on my Instagram, but there are a lot of them, so I'm hoping that you would be able to help me solve this one. I'm willing to cooperate in solving this matter, and I'm willing to provide support and reasons as to why I'm doing this one. Sincerely, and then you're going to type your name. After doing so, just go ahead and hit that send button, and then you're going to have to wait for them to basically respond and be able to solve this problem. So yep, that's how you're going to do it. Congratulations everybody. Now you know how to mass unfollow inactive accounts here on your Instagram account. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.